Good morning, guys. Yeah, I am at work now and I'm wet. Yeah. Look. Yeah. It is raining. Look at how wet is this. Yeah, when I get out of the house it was not raining. And then halfway going here is raining already. Yeah. So I'm wet. Yeah, the same like last time. It's wet. Yeah. Yeah, I decided to wear my trouser going to work because it is cold outside. Yeah, the time now is 5:32 in the morning. My duty will start at 6. I am now here in the locker. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. I will be working wet today. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I finished my duty at 2 o'clock, the same like always these days. It's already 3 o'clock and I'm just roaming around. I don't want to go home, it's still early. The weather is nice, amazing. Yeah, a lot of people in the beach this time. I feel like I also wanted to swim. Yeah, today is Sunday, it's family day. That's why a lot of people outside. Yeah, a lot of cars in here and they are swimming. Really nice. And you know, in this area, this is the place where most of the scuba divers are coming. Yeah, down there it's a scuba diving place. Look at these people, they are scuba divers. Yeah, and I feel like I'm thinking of trying this scuba diving. I'm not sure if scuba diving need to have a permit or need to study or need to do a training, something like that. I'm not sure, but I will check that in the internet. And me the way that I believe in you. Yeah, mate, we're going to the water. Second time. Yeah, look at this. I don't know if you're going to see this, but look. A lot of fish. Can you see that? Look, this is the garbage that you're going to see here. Yeah, these basically are the plants under the water, and they are dying and it's becoming garbage here, but not too much. Yeah, this flock of fish, baby fish, are always together. This time they are so many. There is actually a shower here. Yeah, but I'm going to take shower when I get home. Good morning guys. Today I wake up at around 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, because I'm used to wake up in the morning these days because I am working in the breakfast very early and I can't sleep anymore. Yeah, so I did some video editing, and then at around 7 o'clock I was sleepy again, so I get back to the bed and I wake up just now and hungry, so I made this